Hi students, today we are going to start trigonometry chapter. Trigonometry. In that trigonometrical identities, already we have learned in 9th class. We are having an idea on trigonometry. Once again, we have a glance, recap. Let's recall what we all studied in 9th class. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry means three angle measure. Three angles will be in which one means triangle. So we will take triangle means here the whole trigonometry depends upon right angled triangle. How we can recognize a right angle triangle? Out of three angles, one angle should be compulsory 90 degrees. Then we call that as right angle triangle. The complete chapter depends upon this right angle triangle. One is 90, other one will be theta. Theta means unknown. The third one will be 90 minus theta. Why means already here 90. The sum of these two will be 90. This is theta means this will be 90 minus theta. Suppose this is theta, this will be 90 minus theta. Sum of three angles in a triangle 180 degrees. This all we have learned. And theta opposite side this is. And theta adjacent side. So all this AB we call as opposite side to theta. And this we call as adjacent side to theta. And 90 degrees opposite side we call as hypotenuse. 90 degrees opposite. Sir, if I take here means this will become opposite and this will become adjacent. So depends upon theta. Are you able to follow? So this you have to remember. Now we will come to trigonometrical ratios. There are 6 ratios already you know. Sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Repeat. Sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. 50, 50. If you learn 50, automatic 50, it will teach you. Why means the reciprocals of sine, cos, tan is cosecant, secant, cot. So 50, 50. What? Not Britannia. Be brilliant. So learn carefully. Sine theta is equal to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. What is sine theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. That is opposite is AB. And hypotenuse is AC. Cos theta, adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Tan theta. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. If you keep by hypotenuse get cancelled. Opposite by adjacent will be remaining. That only I wrote. So opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. That is equal to AB by BC. Coming to the next. If these three are confirmed, the next three reciprocals. Reciprocals you know no? Numerator comes to denominator, denominator comes to numerator. Cosecant theta means 1 by sin theta. That is equal to reciprocal of opposite by hypotenuse is hypotenuse by opposite. So hypotenuse by opposite side to theta. That is AC by AB. Secant theta. Sec theta also they will tell. Cosec, sec. Anyway you can pronounce secant or secant. 1 by cos theta, reciprocal of cos theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side to theta is equal to AC by BC. Reciprocal AC by BC. Coming to cot theta. Cot theta we can write as 1 by tan theta. Reciprocal of tan 1 by tan. And reciprocal of sin by cos is cos by sin. All reciprocals only. Opposite by adjacent. Adjacent by opposite. So adjacent side to theta by opposite side to theta, that is equal to BC by AB. Here AB by BC. Reciprocal BC by AB. So first learn these three. Automatic these three will be reciprocals. And in a sequence sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. So this is the introduction of trigonometry and trigonometrical ratios. Now trigonometrical identities. There are 3 identities in this trigonometry. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Only these 3. From these 3 we have obtained this. So if you know these 3, the rest all you will be get automatic. Nothing else I did. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Or cos square theta plus sin square. Addition we can write anyway. First to last one, first one. Anyway, if you write also, one only will come. Only possible for addition. The same way, sin square theta I kept in left hand side, plus I took from left to right. So 1 minus cos square theta. Now I want not square, only sin theta. This is sin square, this is sin. Square going from left to right is square root. So sin theta is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Next, this time cos square theta I am keeping in left side and taking sin square theta from left to right. So 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta. And this is cos square theta. Now we want only cos theta. Cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. In the same manner this one also. But here you see secant square theta minus tan square theta 1. If you do reverse, tan square theta minus secant square theta minus 1. This is not identity. Are you able to follow? This is both are identities only. But here this is identity and this is not identity. When you see tan square theta minus secant square theta, in that place you have to write minus 1. Keep in mind. When you see secant square theta minus tan square theta, 1 you have to write. Did you understand the difference? Now, secant square theta I am keeping left hand side. Minus tan square theta taking from left to right. So 1 plus, minus becomes plus. 1 plus tan square theta. I want only secant theta. Square going from left to right is square root. 1 plus tan square theta. This time I am taking minus tan square theta from left to right and plus 1 from right to left. So tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Tan theta is equal to square root of secant square theta minus 1. The same way this one also. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. And reverse, cot square theta minus cosecant square theta is minus 1. Second one is not identity. Only the first one is identity. Second one is not identity. Now, cosecant square theta I am keeping left hand side. Minus cot square theta I am taking from left to right. Minus becomes plus. 1 plus cot square theta. This time only I want cosecant theta. Square going from left to right is square root. Square root of 1 plus cot square theta. Next. This time cot square theta is going to right hand side and 1 is coming opposite side. So cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Cot theta is equal to square root of cosecant square theta minus 1. So learn by heart these three identities first. Automatic these will come. Automatic. Because this is the origin. From this origin the remaining formulas came. Are you able to follow? So read, learn and by heart. Some more formulae. Sin theta into cosecant theta is equal to 1. How? Cosecant we can write as 1 by sin. Sin goes inside one time. 1 ones are 1. The same way, cos theta into secant theta is equal to 1. Secant we can write as 1 by cos. Cos goes in cos one time. 1 ones are 1. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Cot we can write as 1 by tan. Tan theta goes one time. 1 ones are 1. So don't forget. These are not identities, but while multiplying, while doing product, we will get 1. These are not identities. Coming to here, when we multiply sin theta into secant theta, tan theta will come. How? Sin theta as it is, in the place of secant theta, write 1 by cos. One sin is sin only. Sin by cos. Sin by cos means tan. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. And coming to fifth one, cos theta into cosecant theta is equal to cot theta. How? Cos theta as it is, you write into 1 by sin. 1 cos theta is cos theta by sin theta. Cos by sin means cot theta. This is the way of multiplying products. Okay. Tan theta into cosecant theta is equal to secant theta. How? Tan we can write as sin by cos and into cosecant means 1 by sin. Sin theta goes in sin theta one time. 1 ones are 1. And remaining in the denominator is cos theta. 1 by cos theta means secant theta. The last. Cot theta into secant theta is equal to cosecant theta. Cos theta, cot means cos theta by sin theta. Secant means 1 by cos theta. Cos theta goes in cos theta one time. 1 ones are 1. Again sin theta is there in denominator. 1 by sin theta means cosecant theta. So this all you have to read, learn and by heart carefully. Don't get confused. Exercise 22A. Prove each of the following identities. So they have given problems. We have to prove through identities. Whenever they tell prove that or show that, compulsory you have to take LHS. So solution given. We will start with LHS. What is LHS means? Right hand side. What is given? Cosecant A plus 1 by cosecant A minus 1. We can write cosecant as 1 by sine. So 1 by sine A plus 1 by 1 by sine A minus 1. Keep in bracket if you want, not to get confused. Now take LCM. In numerator, sine A is LCM. 1 plus sine A. Put bracket. Denominator also sine A, LCM. 1 minus sine A. Are you able to follow? Now denominator get cancelled or make it reciprocal. Anything same one. So denominator get cancelled, and in numerator 1 plus sine A by 1 plus sine A by 1 minus sine A. Where we started? Near LHS we started. And where we reach? Is equal to RHS. They told to prove now. Compulsory you have to write. Hence proved. This word compulsory you have to mention. So here we have changed cosecant A as 1 by sine, and we took LCM. Sine A is LCM. 1 plus sine A, cross multiply. Here also 1 minus sine A. Then denominator get cancelled, and we got 1 plus sine A by 1 minus sine A. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS we took, and it is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Now third problem. Prove that sin A into tan A divided by 1 minus cos A is equal to 1 plus secant A. So take LHS. What is LHS? Sin A into tan A by 1 minus cos A. Tan we can write, just now we have learned. Sin A as it is. Tan we can write as sin A by cos A. If you want, keep bracket. Denominator don't change. It is nothing there to change also. 1 minus cos A only. Now that is equal to. Now multiply numerator with numerator. Sin square A. Sin square A by cos A. Nothing is there to multiply denominator. Next, 1 by divided by 1 minus cos A. Now denominator will come to denominator place. That is equal to sin square A by cos A into 1 minus cos A. Be careful with brackets. Now sin square A means from identities. 1 minus cos square A from identities. I am writing. So cos A into 1 minus cos A. Now numerator is in the form of A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Here 1 only is there. If you write square also no problem. 1 how many times we multiply also? 1 only. And this we got identity. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta from identities. Write that one in bracket. What all we are using? We have to mention side. Now 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Formula A plus B into A minus B. So cos A into 1 minus cos A. Now 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A get cancelled, and remaining is what? 1 plus cos A by cos A. What is RHS? 1 plus secant A. Separate it. That is equal to 1 by cos A plus cos A by cos A. Cos A by cos A. Cos A goes in cos A one time. 1 by cos means what? Secant. Secant A plus 1 is equal to RHS. We came to RHS. 1 plus secant A or secant A plus 1 both means same one. For addition there is no difference. Is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Because they told to prove that. We have proved. This is the way of doing problem. Prove that sixth problem. 1 plus cot A whole square plus 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to 2 cosecant square A. We have to get answer. Take LHS first. What is LHS? 1 plus cot A whole square plus 1 minus cot A whole square. First one is in which formula? Means A plus B whole square formula. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Second one is in the form of A minus B whole square. A square plus B square minus 2AB. So, which formula we are using? Side you have to mention compulsory. 1 square plus cot square A plus 2 into 1 into cot A. 2AB. Plus is there? Plus, for plus no need bracket. 1 square plus cot square A minus 2 into 1 into cot A. Now that is equal to 1 ones are 1 plus cot square A, 2 ones are 2 cot A, 2 cot A plus 1 square means 1 only plus cot square A minus 2 ones are 2 minus 2 cot A. So here plus 2 cot A minus 2 cot A get cancelled. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus cot square A plus cot square A is 2 cot square A. Now we are taking 2 as common. 1 plus cot square A. 1 plus cot square A. 1 plus cot square A means 2 into 1 plus cot square A. 2 into a cosecant square A. From where we got identity. What is that identity? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So cosecant square theta is what? 1 plus cot square theta. This is from identity. What is this one? Identity. You have to mention compulsory. Using this identities only we are doing these problems. So this identity is very, very important. So we replace 1 plus cot square A is cosecant square A. We started here LHS, when we reach RHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. The word compulsory. Hence proved. This is the way of solving the problem using identities. Eighth problem. Prove that secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A is equal to 1. Take LHS. What is LHS? Secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. This is LHS. We should get answer is equal to 1. Now multiply. 1 secant A into 1 is secant A minus secant A into sin A. Close the bracket. This one again secant A plus tan A. Now secant A minus secant we can write as 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A into sin A. Close the bracket. Into secant A plus tan A. Now that is equal to secant A minus 1 sin is sin A only. So 1 into sin A is sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A means what? You know, tan A. So secant A plus tan A. Before we have learned product, directly you can write, but for your understanding purpose I am doing these many steps. So that is equal to secant A minus sin by cos means tan A into secant A plus tan A. Now it is in the form of A minus B into A plus B is equal to A square minus B square formula. So secant square A minus tan square A. What is this one? Identity. Secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Write this identity. We use here which identity? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Identity. Write that word. Using this identity, we have solved this problem. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. RHS we got, hence proved. Eleventh problem. Prove that secant A plus cos A into secant A minus cos A is equal to sin square A plus tan square A. Take LHS. What is LHS? Secant A plus cos A into secant A minus cos A. It is in which formula? Means A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So here secant square A minus cos square A. This is not identity. Secant square A minus tan square A is 1. Keep in mind. Now we can write secant square A as 1 plus tan square A. In the place of secant square A I wrote minus of, in the place of cos square A, 1 minus sin square A. From where we got this one? From identities. Which identities? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Next one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square. These are identities. From identities we got. So this is algebra formula. These are identities. Compulsory you have to mention. From identities we got. Now replace. Send minus inside. 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A. Plus into minus. Minus 1 minus into minus plus sin square A plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. That is equal to tan square A plus sin square A. Where we started? LHS we started. Where we reach? RHS we reach. Is equal to RHS. Hence proved. They want to prove that we proved through identities and algebraic formula. So write those compulsory. Part and parcel of the problem. 13th problem. Prove that cot square A minus cos square A is equal to cos square A into cot square A. So take LHS. What they have given means cot square A minus cos square A. Cos square I am writing as cosecant square A minus 1. From where? From identity. Minus cos square A I am writing as 1 minus sin square A. Mention the formulas. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This is the identity. Now cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Next, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Identities, from where we are taking means from identities, trigonometrical identities. These are the trigonometrical identities we are taking. So now understood? That is equal to cosecant square A minus 1. Send minus, plus into minus, minus 1. Minus into minus, plus sin square A. Now cosecant square A minus 2 plus sin square A. How I am writing all of you see here? Cosecant square A as it is minus 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2 only. There is no much difference. Why I wrote 1 I will explain there. Plus sin square A. Now I am writing cosecant square A minus 2 into, in this place what I am writing means cosecant A into sin A plus sin square A. Now it is in the form of A square minus 2AB plus B square. Before I told you formula. Cosecant A into sin A is 1. Are you able to follow? How? 1 by sin. Sin get cancelled. That I explained to you. Cosecant A into sin A. This is not identity. Products. 1 by sin. In the place of cosecant write 1 by sin. Into sin A. Sin A get cancelled. One time it goes 1 ones are 1. This I replace it there. So be careful. Now it is in the form of A square minus 2AB plus B square is equal to A minus B whole square. Whole square, that is equal to cosecant A minus sin A whole square. Cosecant we can write as 1 by sin A. 1 by sin A minus sin A whole square. Take LCM. If you take LCM, here sin A will be the LCM. Sin A is LCM. 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A by sin A. 1 minus sin square A sin A by 1 minus sin square A by sin A whole square. Why whole square? Square is there, whole square. Formula, that square came here. Now that is equal to 1 minus sin square. From here we can write 1 minus sin square theta cos square. So write cos square A separate. Numerator you give square, denominator also you give square. Okay. Now 2 times you can write cos square A whole square means cos square A into cos square A. Then you will get answer. That is equal to, I'll do clearly for your understanding. Now cos square A whole square by sin square A. We can write as 2 times cos square A into cos square A. Square means that only. What is meaning of A square? A into A. So in the same way, here I wrote 2 times by sine square A. Sine square A. Now you write cos square A into cos square A by, for any one you give. For both no need. Now cos square A as it is, right? Cos by sine means cot. So cot square A. That is equal to LHS we started, we came to RHS, hence proved. Hence proved. This is the way of solving. 15th problem. Prove that tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 is equal to secant square A into cosecant square A. Take LHS. What is LHS? Tan square A plus cot square A plus 2. That is equal to tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2 only. Why I wrote 1? You will be understanding. Tan square A plus cot square A plus 2 into this. In one place I am writing tan A into cot A. Tan A into cot A is equal to 1. Already we have learned. Tan A into cot A is equal to 1 when we multiply. How? Tan A into 1 by tan A. Cot means tan, so tan A get cancelled one time. 1 ones are 1. So keep in mind. Now it is in which formula? Means a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square formula. So we can write as tan A plus cot A whole square. Don't forget this whole square formula. Tan we can write as sin A by cos A plus cot A we can write as cos A by sin A whole square. Don't forget this whole square. Sometimes we will forget. Now addition of a fraction or subtraction of a fraction, method of LCM. Cos A into sin A. Cos A goes how many times with sin A? Sin A into sin A, sin square A plus sin A how many times goes? Cos A times. Cos A into cos A, cos square A. So sin square A plus cos square A by cos A into sin A whole square. Now this is identity. What identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Identity. We have learned 3 identities. In that, this is one identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That is equal to 1 by cos theta cos A into sin A whole square. Now distribute that square for 1 square. Numerator also you give, denominator also you give. Cos A into sin A whole square. Which formula? In laws of indices, A by B whole square is equal to A square by B square. Everything you have to mention there. 1 square means 1 only. Cos square, give square to both. Cos square A into sin square A. This also formula in laws of indices. AB whole square is equal to A square into B square, or you can write M. That also, or N or square. Now separate it. 1 by cos square A into 1 by sin square A. 1 by cos means what? Secant square A. 1 by sine means cosecant. So cosecant square A. There we reach is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Write that word. Hence proved. Hence proved. This is the way of simplifying this problem. Write all the identities, working, everything.